Hello there, wonderful students. Going to walk you through your Essential Elements book registration and how to use those tools on there. So if you have your book, which you should if you're virtual, this is what we're doing our assignments out of. All right, so you have your book. If you look in the back, the very back of the book, it has this page that says Essential Elements Interactive, and it just goes over like how to get all set up online. All right. Uh, So you're going to type in the Essential Elements Interactive Student Activation Code. You're going to click right up here. Essential Elements Interactive. Now, since you bought your own book, you click I have my own book, personal copy. I have read and agreed to the terms. And now we got to have the enter the activation code from the first page of your book. So if you have your book, you open it up to the first page. That activation code is going to be right here. Can y'all see that? So you're going to type that code in. So it says student activation code. So I'm going to punch this one in. I'm not sure if it's cap sensitive, so I'm just going to make it anyway. So E 1 C L. I don't know if I need to dash. I'm not going to do any dashes. 7 4 6 8 4 6 6 1 0 4 8 7. That's the code from my book. Continue, create your own username and password. So I'm gonna put mine as no. Look at the first name, last name. This book I just put in was a clarinet book. So you can pick whatever instrument you have. I'm gonna pick the clarinet book right now. My username is gonna be Lobos 2021. I'm gonna create my password. Let me see. I'm gonna do. I created my password, so I got my username, password, but you don't forget that. I'm gonna click create my account. Please verify your account information for writing, class undefined, FB class, username, levels 21, password 3623, essential. Confirm. I am now in. Congratulations, your account has been created. To finish this process, you will need to log in. Simply use the username and password you just created. So I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna fake like this student account. It's saved there. Bam. Now I'm in. You can put an email. I'm not going to put an email here. So here we are. We're in here. We got practice lot at email. There's no upcoming schedules. All this good stuff over here. Let's go here to resources. Now this is going to show me how to go through and put my clarinet together. All that stuff if you need to refresh. We went over all this stuff already, but it's in here for you. Let's go here to Studio, Music Studio. And there is where we have our song list. We also have fingering charts in here. So if you forget your fingerings, you click on the fingering chart and it'll show you the fingerings for your instrument. These are clarinet fingerings. Let's go back to song list. So for example, we have our test is going to be line 42. skip to my loop, click on it. I'm going to allow to use my microphone. Okay, so now here we go. Here's my clarinet part. If I hit play, it's counting off. Get ready. Count off. 2, ready, go. 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. So that's it. Let's turn the melody on. If you turn the melody on, it's going to play it for you, hopefully. Now let's go back to play. It's getting ready to count off. 2, ready, go. And that's how that works. You practice along with this. So whatever line we're in. There's some other features in here you can experiment with. You can also record. So if you record, you can record with it. But remember, you turn a melody on, it'll play it for you. You can also go ahead and click on the accompaniment. If you want piano to back you up while you play, click on piano. 1, 2, ready, go. Country. So you can pick any one of these backing tracks that you want to practice with. If you want to speed it up, slow down. So this is the great tool for you to practice with. Okay, if you're having problems with the rhythms, you can hear it, but also remember to count the rhythms before you try to play it. Count your rhythms first. Double check your note names. Double check your fingers. If you forget your fingerings, click on your finger chart right here, and then before you put it all together. All right. So, for example, this rhythm is. Let me go ahead and play it for you so you can hear it. And I'm going to count the rhythm while it plays. Okay, so this is your practice run through. So if you watch this video, you get help with it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 3. Remember, the quarter note gets 1 beat. Your eighth notes are, you get 2 beats. 2 sounds on the beat. So that's why I counted as 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold the half notes. Okay. All right. If you got any questions about using this, let me know. It's going to be very, very helpful for you.